Okay, chasing down the wiring problem on the bayou. I've got the battery tray out and I've got these guys jumpered out. So we've got 12 volts in here, and off this first one, got the white wire comes through. Sorry, there's a fuse, and then it goes off into the wiring harness here. And the best of my ability, I could follow it up. I lose track of it, but there's a white wire here. It's got 12 volts at it, so that's more than likely what that is. And when I put it to the only other wire that was coming out of the dash here and flick this switch on, the neutral light's going off and on. So I'm getting power. I can read here, continuity through the switch, goes down the black wire, which goes into the brown wire here. Now the clicking happens when you click that. And I thought it was the starter solenoid at first, but it's not. It's this other little guy here. So this guy was inside that rubber boot, and he was jammed up inside behind there with the CDI box and clicked in. Now when you look on this, I'll try to get it at a good angle. There's battery terminals, or sorry, not battery terminals. The wiring terminals are labeled, and if you can see that, pretty much if you give power through the 1 and 2, you're gonna then actively close the 3 to 4. So that's what the clicking noise is, and these black ones are the 3 and 4. So that's that. And then back up here, I thought the problem could be this guy here with your start stop and your starter. So I took off the connectors here, and if you're looking at them, I kind of made a diagram. So this was the one on the side of the actual quad. So the black is what needs power, and then the brown has the power. So that should be running power through the starter button and then closing that loop. So then I check continuity on the switch and it's working. So I was like, okay, perfect. Well, what's stopping it now? Because those should go down to my starter solenoid on the 2 smaller wires. Close that, click it in, and start it. So anyway, I'm taking this stuff off and on, and then boom, it works again. So I don't know what's going on. That green light, I couldn't keep that on. So I don't know if I got a bad connection somewhere or something, but I'm gonna open these all back up, clean them up. Post back, I'll tell you how it's working out. But anyway, if you get into an issue on that starter circuit there, hopefully some of your colors are the same. You can check all this stuff with continuity meter, and I just put the black leg of my multimeter into a little clip onto the ground, and then you can just run around touching the red one on everything and seeing where your power is. Pretty straightforward. Cheers.